Why did he not say north and west?
See, this is that is where I have a problem with religion there. It's Islam. They're Allah's people, yes? But didn't Allah create me?
Yeah.
So am I not his people?
Yeah, he created you, yeah, of course.
But I'm his people, aren't I?
In that sense, yeah.
But not Islamic.
Okay. Not yet. We're getting there. So
how does that work? I mean, how can he accept one part of his creation but not accept another part?
let me tell you this. Let's go back to our ship example. You wake up on a ship. You usually wake up in your bed. You don't know where you're going.
Yeah.
If you're the person to ask, all God wants you to do is ask sincerely. Why am I here? How did I get here? And you will get an answer.
So as long as you
If you ask. If there's no one to answer you, then you're not to blame. That's why in the Quran it says, وَمَا كُنَّا مُعَذِّبِينَ حَتَّى نَبْعَثَ رَسُولًا. We aren't going to punish anyone until they receive a message.
Get it. You answered my question. You've answered my question.
Yeah?
Yes. And this is what, when I'm watching you on YouTube, and there's people talking, they're asking the question I want to ask, but not in the way I would ask.
Yes, yes.
And so you're giving them an answer, and I'm screaming, no, that's not what he's asked, that's not what he's asked.
Yeah.
You just answered my question.
Thank you, yeah. So do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
People that don't know won't be punished.
That's the message I want
Yes,
to get. That's what I want to see on YouTube. I want people to see you say Islam is not about punishing you for not believing.
Yes.
It's punishing you for not asking the question.
That's it.
That's what I want people
That's
to see.
it. That was okay.
What I want people
Does that make sense now?
Yes, it does make sense.
And when you ask those questions, you get the answers.
Yes.
Then it makes it more clearer.
And that's what I was saying to you earlier. You know, our government sit there and say, Islam, they're all terrorists, they're bombing us. And that makes people who are not asking the question, they make them afraid. Rather than saying, hey, you're Islamic, fine, I don't care. I don't
Yes.
still be a friend. That's what I want. That's what I want.
That's right.